Happy Independence Day. Ram Prasad Bismil had written a long poem for the martyrs. I'll just read out the last stanza. Ask those of troubles who suffer. Ask those of troubles who suffer. Ask those of taste of martyrdom who die. Ask those of beauty of sight who are eager to see. Ask those of fire who care not for their lives. Ask those of fire who care not for their lives. Well, talking about the mutiny of 1857, I have a collection of letters, basically, which are not only inspiring but also revealing about what happened during that. This one is a collection of letters written by the great Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi. The first revolt against the British rule took place in the year 1857, as all of you know. It was the first war of independence. Many kings and princes from all over the country joined the movement under the leadership of the last Mughal emperor, Bahadur Shah Zafar. Prominent among them was Rani of Jhansi, Lakshmi Bai. We reproduce three of her letters here, which she wrote to her colleague, Maharaja Mardan Singh. The letters of Rani Lakshmi Bai, kept in the National Archives, New Delhi, confirm that the scheme for the revolution of 1857 was prepared by the Rani of Jhansi and Maharaja Mardan Singh at Bharatgarh or Talbehat. This was the Bharatgarh fort actually. The historic letter written to Maharaja Mardan Singh is as follows. Sri Maharani Lakshmi Bai Ju Devi conveys her good wishes for the well-being of Maharaja Dhiraj Sri Maharaja Mardan Singh Bahadur Ju Dev. We are all well. It is further stated that we had discussed when you were here that the proceedings about the adoption of Damodar Rao were in progress. However, it appears that the British do not intend to recognize the adoption. These foreigners are nobody's friend. These matters were discussed between us in the fort of Talbehat. We fully trust you because You are here holding the highest seat of the Bundelas. We have therefore to seek your advice every time. Please send a reply soon after reading the letter. Meanwhile, the revolt of 1857 broke out, and by June 4, 1857 had spread far and wide. When the news reached Bundelkhand, the army at Sagar and Lalitpur killed the Britishers and made Mardan Singh the commander. At the same time, Maharaja Mardan Singh sent a missive to Rani Lakshmi Bai, who in her reply sent the following letter. Sri Maharani Lakshmi Bai conveys good wishes for the well-being of Maharaja Sri Raja Mardan Singh Judev. We are well here. We were delighted to read the letter brought by Devan Gaus. After consultations among ourselves, including yourself and Shahagad and Tatya Tope, we came to the conclusion there should be Suraj, our own rule. It is our own country, and Banpur. We have got molded cannons and cannon shells. This should remain confidential and should not leak out because Tikamgarh, Rani Ladai Sarkar and Nathe Khan Devan attach great importance to what the foreigners say and revealing it. Therefore, please note this. Rani Lakshmi Bai and Mardan Singh were jointly conducting the movement. Mardan Singh had seized the entire district of Sagar after capturing the forts of Kimlasa, Kurai, Veneka, Barodia. A fierce battle took place in which Colonel Dudle was killed by Mardan Singh's bullet and Mardan Singh captured Sagar area. Following this, Sir Hugh Rose tried to run away from the battlefield. However, in the meanwhile, English forces arrived from Jabalpur. Looking at the changed scenario, Mardan Singh shifted his war front from Madanpur to Amjara Valley. Taking advantage of this, Hugh Rose came out of Madanpur Valley and reached Banpur. After destroying the fort, he reached Jhansi and succeeded in capturing Jhansi fort. When the news reached Mardan Singh, he threw up his hands in despair. Rani Lakshmi Bai left Jhansi and reached Kalpi. From Kalpi, she wrote the following letter to Maharaja Mardan Singh. The gist of the letter is as under. Maharani Lakshmi Bai Judevi conveys good wishes for the well-being of Maharaja Dhiraja Sri Maharaj Mardan Singh Bahadur Judev. We learnt about the letter of Maharaja Shahagad, which was referred by you. It is further stated that you please set out towards Sagar. There are 2 companies of Sahibs en route. After crushing them, go ahead along with Raja of Shahagad. Tatya Tope, Nana Sahib and I are making arrangements for the army. Drive Hugh Rose at Notghat and proceed towards Kalpi. There we all meet to jointly attack the British at Gwalior. Now there should not be any delay. Please send a reply immediately. Jai Hind.